Okay, about to upgrade the Coleman. Couple upgrades. See, that is the stock exhaust, the stock intake. I'm gonna screw those off and hopefully get a couple of miles per hour better. Let's start it up with and see what it sounds like without the muffler and the exhaust. Sound like there's what I'm gonna be putting on, and hopefully we good on Mars. Stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna start with the intake. Basically, just screw off the top of that, and here we have an air filter and a wing nut. Take the wing nut off. Hopefully, you can hear me breathing. I am a little bit on the husky side. Just got through cutting grass. All right, then. Hopefully, this just slides right off. Yeah, there we go. So we have a couple of parts already. Now we just take the screwdriver, unscrew these two screws, and then I'm gonna pop it off, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so I lied. I eventually said these two screws, but it looks like it's gonna be these two screws. I think if you take these two screws off, it's just gonna take this lid off right here. But if you take these two nuts out, I guess you say, then this whole thing should just come right on off. So I'm gonna go do that now. Okay, the air filter housings just slid right off. Once you take those two nuts off, here we have a what do you call a gasket here. So we're gonna leave that gasket on and just put the new air filter on. Okay, here's my new pieces. We have mounting gear right here. This holds down the choke as well as the filter and a new gasket. And the filter is attached by this I'll just be having brand new parts, but this thing was jigger right here. Okay, have it on there. Now I did use the stuff that they gave me because all the original stuff fits. So now we're gonna go on to the exhaust side and then put the exhaust on. The exhaust is held on by these two bolts nuts right here. So we're gonna take those off and pop this box off and see what happens. Okay, gonna start it without the muffler. We have the little muffler part right here. This straight pipe, I guess that's what they call this. Let's see what it sounds like. Choke. She goes, finished product. Exhaust. Already burnt my pants leg. So I suggest getting some exhaust tape. That's it. Thank you for watching.